So we back on this damn thing. Once again, we had to do the brake line. Get this brake line all touched up and pressure. Had a crack in it. So we'll replace it today. And while we doing that, we did an oil change on this bad boy. So and this one here for the old school. Good. Branch. Found it out. And then, as you turn, it will be delicious, you know. So this is man, that been on there a long time. God damn. It shouldn't take all that to pop this damn thing off. But to see that this goddamn thing, to get the oil filter off, I'm old school, so pop it on off, clean it on up because it's got to be washed up anyway. So that being said, I'm gonna get this goddamn filter off because it's hot as hell, and I'm gonna be back at y'all.